What's up guys, welcome to another episode. I've got a 2017 BMW 340i over here, and today I will be replacing the LED signals over here, changing them into the, I'll show you guys right here, smoked sequential LEDs. It's a pretty quick process, you just gotta be really careful with it. I'll explain you a bit of a process over here. So the first step would be for us to take the side view mirror off, and then I'll take the cap off. Don't mind that this is broken from before, and then I'll remove this LED piece right here, and I'll put everything back on with the swapped LED signal lights over here. Let's get started. So one thing I want to let you guys know of is that these mirrors on the BMW, they are very fragile. You don't want to break them. I don't have a wider pry tool, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3 pry tools instead, just so I can get it out easily. If you do use one, you're most likely going to break the glass. So I've already moved the side view mirror on the upper side, so it is tilted a bit upwards. You want to just put all the 3 pry tools in there, make sure they're tight and secured. Okay, I'm just going to take my watch off, just because you got to be really careful with this. Put the 3 pry tools right underneath over here. There's a circle right in the middle over here, and you're trying to just get a hold of one of the pieces, and you're going to pop this clip out, and you're going to go pop this clip out, clip over here, and the clip on the top. So try to pry it out slowly. I'm putting my fingers on the bottom over here as well, just to give it extra support. Move on to the other side. There you go. Once you have the bottom piece off, you can just put your fingers over here and just try to pry around the whole side view mirror. I'm going to start off on the back side over here. Gotta be really gentle with it. So that's a clip right there. And then now you can just hold the side view mirror and you want to bring it towards yourself. There you go. You have your side view mirror off, and you just want to lay that on the side for now. Once you take the side view mirror off, you have 3 clips right here. So there's one right there on the top, and then one back there. You just want to pinch them and get them out. These are the 3 prongs I was talking about. So you pretty much just have to pinch them and push it outwards. Same thing over here. Pinch it, push it out. Pinch it, push it out. Now we have the glass off and the back cover off. There's 5 T10 bolts you guys will be taking off. There's one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is up there. I just want to show you guys one more thing. You just got to be careful with what kind of screws are coming off. Some of them are machined and some of them are not machined, so just make sure you put them back in the order. And then there is one more screw on the back side over here as well, which is also a T10. Just take that off as well. Once all these screws are off, you want to take the bottom piece, pull it towards yourself so it's easier to take this LED light out. So just play around with it. There you go. So once you pull it a little towards yourself, you guys can see there's a bit of a gap over here in the bottom. So that's the gap right there. Once you have it this much pulled out, and then you just want to take the LED out. Just play around with it, wiggle it around, and there's another piece like that on the bottom side. So it's pretty much holding the mirror or the side view mirror bracket like this. So once you are able to wiggle this around a bit more, you can pull it out this way. You guys have that off. There's a clip in the back. Okay, once you have that off, I'm going to put the newer one back in. Pretty much goes in the same way. Alright, now we're going to be putting everything back in. Just tuck the wires behind the mirror. Bring it out a bit more. Now, like I was saying, so these two prongs right here, they go around this clip right here, so like this. And of course, the bottom of the base over here sits on the side view mirror right here. There you go. Click, you have it in. So now you have the signal is in. You just want to put it back together. So you push the bottom piece that we moved earlier back into the side mirror over there. This piece matches with this. And you just put the T10 screws back in.
Take back one to the bottom. Final.
Once all 5 screws are in, you can put your cover back in. Pretty straightforward, of course. Like I said earlier, you have to push these prongs and then you have to push it out this time, just because they have a slope right here or at an angle. You can just push it in straight and you don't have to push anything. So you have 4 open spaces right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are supposed to go around these little pieces right here. just because at the start of the video we had the side view mirror tilted up like this and we pried it out this way, we're going to put it back in the same way. So make sure your angle is right. Okay, match that right there. I'm going to start from the top. Alright guys, the glass is back in. The only thing to remember is that you're not applying pressure at one point from one pry tool. The more base you cover, the better and the easier it is for you to take it off without breaking the glass. So this is in. I've already installed the other side as well. You guys can see. This is what the new sequentials turn signals look like.